Hello, and you are more than welcome back to Little Miss Drabstitch. And we've been around for about a month now, so thank you for all your subscribes and likes. I can't wait to welcome more of you on the journey as well with us. So today is the debut of my second knitting pattern. It's called the Perfect Autumn Scarf. So if you're like me, 1st of September, I want to be there with my orange and forest green woodland bedding on. I want to be in a scarf on walks, beautiful walks on the canal and looking the part, but it's quite sunny today and warm. We can get really nice, beautiful weather in September in the UK. So I want to look the part, but I don't want to be there sweating, overheating. So that's why I designed this. It's in 4-ply, and I think I've found a passion and calling for projects and designing them that use, your leftover 4-ply from your socks, your minis. I've got another example here that use sock wool. Okay, so very versatile, and in case it doesn't show up, I will put a picture up. There's a beautiful, really easy, if I'm honest, lace edge detail. Okay, so that's really great for dipping your toes in for lace work as well. It's a 2-in-1 pattern because I do like to give you some value. So there's the easy version, they're both easy, but this is the easy version, and we've also got the instructions for a slip stitch edge. Look how nice and neat that is. Okay, this from the photo shoot, I did it in Woodland, and it's still full of lichen and everything. Okay, so it's so lightweight. It either uses kind of, let's have a look for you. How many grams? Yeah, under 100 grams or over 100, just over 100 grams. It does explain it on the instructions, but I've designed it just to use whatever wool you've got in and what you want. It's garter stitch as well, which I just think is lovely because it gives that kind of bouncy stretch. This is quite a high twist yarn, which I really love. Sometimes we design projects for the yarn, sometimes the yarn kind of tells us what it's going to be. So yeah, I just love this. And it's all orange and autumnal. And then this, I used alpaca sock yarn for the main, and then I ran out. But I am trying to be more sustainable and use what I've got in, and I think this is just the perfect feature for it. This ombre purple. Obviously you can use what I've used or use what you want as well. So this one's really lightweight because it's a high twist. And this has got a little bit more weight into it, so that would easily take you into November as well, when that extra chill comes, but you still don't want to get too sweaty as well. If you're like me, you take a rucksack with the kitchen sink in when you go for a walk. Scarves just take up so much room, don't they? Or when you're going around shopping as well in winter. So this is just perfect, and it's nice and long that you could wrap it round twice as well and have it kind of more cowl and close to the neck. Okey-doke. So it's available on Ravelry and Etsy, and I also do printed patterns and nice quality GSM as well that I'll compose worldwide. They're available on Etsy. So if you're buying the digital pattern, to be honest, I'd get it on Ravelry because it's cheaper. I have priced them both the same, but I think Etsy just like to tax the UK quite a bit. So yeah, if you're in the UK, they've got kind of some sort of post-Brexit tax anyway, so I don't see any of it, and for yourself it costs like £1 more. So yeah, get it on Ravelry. But the printed ones, obviously I can't sell them on Ravelry, so if you'd like a printed one, they don't charge extra tax for that because it's a physical item. I know, go figure. But yeah, they're available on there. Ooh, I'm getting all shy there from a little photo shoot. But yeah, so thank you very much for having a little chat and joining me today. Let me know in the comments, or you can share your makes as well on social media. I can't wait to see them. Do go on the website as well for more free projects and bits and bobs like that. In a couple of weeks, I'll be doing a free pumpkin pattern, both in the round and flat as well. So do stay tuned for that. Take care.